Did you know that small changes can lead to big financial results? Imagine saving $500 a month without changing your lifestyle. Sounds impossible, right? Well, it's not. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can save $500 every month without sacrificing the comfort of your daily life. After years of helping people organize their finances, I've learned exactly what works. You're about to discover simple strategies that will make a real difference in your financial future. Saving money can seem like an overwhelming task, especially when life feels like it's constantly demanding more from you. You might feel like you're working hard every day, but when you check your bank account, it feels like there's never enough. You may also think that in order to save a significant amount, you need to drastically change your lifestyle or give up the things you enjoy. But here's the thing, it doesn't have to be that way. Saving $500 a month is completely achievable, and I'm going to show you how it can be done without making drastic sacrifices. It's all about smart choices, small adjustments, and staying consistent. So, let's dive into the steps that will help you save without feeling like you're missing out on life. Today, we'll explore 10 practical ways to save $500 a month without changing your lifestyle. These are strategies that require little effort, but have a big impact on your monthly expenses. Let's get started with the first strategy, cutting unnecessary subscriptions. Take a look at your subscriptions: streaming services, gym memberships, magazines, and more. How many of these are actually being used regularly? We often sign up for services we forget about or no longer need, and before you know it, you're paying for things you barely use. For example, if you're paying for a streaming service you rarely use, consider canceling it. You could save $15 to $20 per month just by cutting out those unused subscriptions. Review your subscriptions today and cancel the ones you don't use or need. This is an easy way to reduce monthly expenses without changing your lifestyle daily. Smart shopping can make a huge difference in your savings. It's all about comparing prices and finding discounts whenever possible. Before making any purchase, check for online discounts or use price comparison tools to make sure you're getting the best deal. And don't forget to sign up for email newsletters from stores you frequently shop at. They often send out exclusive deals and discounts. Use websites and apps that compare prices and check for coupons before buying anything. You'll save money on everyday items, making it easier to reach your $500 savings goal. Meal planning is one of the best ways to save money on food. By planning your meals ahead of time, you can reduce food waste and avoid costly last-minute takeout. When you plan, you can buy in bulk, use leftovers creatively, and only purchase what you actually need for the week. This helps you avoid impulse buys and ensures you're spending wisely. Take 10 minutes today to plan your meals for the upcoming week. Then, make a grocery list based on what you've planned and stick to it. This strategy not only saves you money, but helps you eat healthier and more efficiently. Transportation is one of your biggest expenses, but you can make smart changes to reduce these costs without sacrificing convenience. For instance, carpooling with friends or coworkers or using public transportation can help. You save on gas and reduce wear and tear on your car. Even small changes like driving more efficiently can cut down on fuel consumption. Look at your current commute and explore options like carpooling, public transportation, or even biking. Saving on gas and car maintenance means you can allocate more money toward your savings goals. Entertainment doesn't have to be expensive. There are countless ways to enjoy your free time without breaking the bank. Instead of going out to an expensive movie or concert, consider options like movie nights at home, hiking, or exploring free local events. Even museums and galleries often offer free admission days. Next time you plan a night out, look for budget-friendly entertainment options like free community events, nature walks, or at-home activities with friends. You can still enjoy your free time without overspending, helping you save money for your future. Your tech expenses like phone bills and internet subscriptions can quickly add up, but there are simple ways to lower these costs without sacrificing quality. For example, switching to a more affordable phone plan, negotiating with your internet provider, or bundling services can save you $50 to $100 a month. You can also avoid unnecessary upgrades to your phone or gadget purchases. Review your phone and internet plans to see if there are more affordable options. Call your providers and ask for a better deal. Lowering these bills leaves more money available for savings, all while maintaining the same level of service. Impulse purchases can eat away at your savings without you even realizing it. We all have those moments where something catches our eye and we just have to buy it. But the key to saving is pausing before making those impulse buys. By using strategies like the 24-hour rule, where you wait a day before buying non-essential items, you can avoid unnecessary expenses. Next time you feel the urge to buy something on impulse, wait 24 hours to see if you still want it. This simple pause can help you avoid buying things you don't need. This will help you stay on track with your budget, contributing to your $500 savings goal. One of the best ways to ensure you stay on top of your savings is by using budgeting apps. These apps can help you track where your money goes, identify unnecessary spending, and set goals for your savings. Apps like Mint, YNAB, or Pocket Guard make it easy to categorize your expenses and see how much you're saving each month. By setting goals within the app, you can stay focused and motivated. Download a budgeting app today and input your monthly expenses. Monitor your savings progress each week to stay on track. You'll have a clear picture of your financial situation and be better equipped to reach your savings targets. Refinancing your loans can help lower your monthly payments, freeing up money for savings. Whether it's a student loan, car loan, or mortgage, refinancing to a lower interest rate can reduce the amount of money you pay in interest over time. For example, refinancing a car loan from a 7% interest rate to a 3% rate could save you hundreds of dollars over the life of the loan. Research refinancing options for your loans and see if you qualify for a lower rate. Start by contacting your bank or using online comparison tools. Lowering your interest rates helps you save money and accelerates your ability to reach your $500 savings goal. One of the easiest ways to save consistently is by automating your savings. By setting up automatic transfers to a savings account, you ensure that you're putting money aside each month without even thinking about it. Even if you start small, automating your savings can help you stay on track to reach your $500 monthly goal. Once it's automated, you won't be tempted to spend that money, and it'll grow steadily over time. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account, even if it's just $50 to start with. Automation makes saving effortless and helps you stay consistent, reaching your goal faster. Saving $500 a month without changing your lifestyle is not only possible, it's achievable with the right strategies. Small, consistent changes can add up to big results over time. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by the thought of saving a large amount each month, but when you break it down into manageable steps, it becomes a lot more attainable. By cutting unnecessary subscriptions, planning your meals, using budgeting apps, and automating your savings, you're setting yourself up for financial success. Remember, every dollar saved brings you one step closer to financial security. The key is to stay consistent, stay focused, and keep making those small adjustments to your routine. Before you know it, you'll have saved far more than you imagined. If you found these tips helpful, hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to comment below. Which strategy will you implement first to start saving $500 a month? Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more tips and strategies to build your financial future. Together, we'll work toward your savings goals and create a path to financial freedom. Let's keep saving and growing together, one step at a time. Building wealth and saving money doesn't require drastic change. It's about making consistent, small choices that add up over time. Every decision you make today is a step toward financial freedom. So don't wait for the perfect moment to start saving. Begin now, even if it's just a small amount. Remember, the journey to financial security begins with the first step. Each action, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goal. Thank you for watching, and keep taking those small steps towards building the life you want. You've got this.